Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas sailing from Los Angeles. Now this particular category is an Ocean View Stateroom. It's one of the standard Ocean Views. They do have a spacious variety and an ultra spacious as well. You can see those on our channel if you'd like to check them out. Now I'm going to take you through the space, but before I do, keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let me take you through the room. Now as soon as you walk in the door, you've got two coat hangers right there, and then in here you're going to find your storage. Now you've got hanging storage all the way across and storage up and down as well. Now in here you're going to find that you have a ladder because this room has Pullman beds for a third and fourth guest. You've got a little bit more storage up above, and we'll take you through the rest of the space here now. Next up is the bathroom. Now as I step in here, it's the same as all the interior ocean views and balconies on board. In here you're going to have storage up and down and a little bit of storage on the vanity as well. A little bit tucked underneath. You're going to have your towel storage here and there, and then I'm going to step in the shower just to show you. I'm a really big guy. I'm 6'6". I can actually move around in here because they have bowed out shower doors. You've got the adjustable shower wand here. It'll go all the way up, and you've got your nooks for your bath amenities. Now as we head into the bedroom space, you've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror here where you can get ready, and you're also going to have a love seat right there. It's going to look directly across at your vanity that doubles as a writing desk. So you can sit here at the chair to get ready. You've got two US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring an extra European adapter or converter so I can utilize all the plugs in the space. And then you're going to have storage tucked just behind the mirrors here, and you're going to have your continuing storage up here and your safe. So it's perfect size for a wallet and passports, not quite big enough for a laptop. You've got more storage on either side. That's where you're going to find your hair dryer, and you also have a mini fridge tucked underneath. You've got your flat panel TV here, so you can angle it towards the bed or towards the love seat, depending on what you prefer. Now as we head further into the space, you've got your bed. Now this is together in what they call a royal king size bed. It can be separated into two twins if that's your preference. Now I also mentioned that this had Pullman beds. So right here you can see two beds up above. They would come down, and then you're going to have the ladders there to access it. Now keep in mind your room steward will be happy to put those down each and every single evening and then put them up in the morning when he makes up the room. Now underneath the bed here, you're going to have storage so you can put your luggage away. And then also on the nightstand, you have a bit of storage as well. You're going to have reading lamps on either side. I like that it's directional. You don't have to disturb your partner while they're sleeping. And then the main focal point of this is the large window. So it's bigger than a smaller porthole. It is porthole variety. So you can get that nice natural light. Now it doesn't have a balcony to step out on. There's quite a few options that do if you want to check those out on the channel as well. But it's a perfect fit for a lot of our guests. Now one other tip I wanted to point out is the phone next to the bed does have a USB charger built in, so you can charge one device. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.